12 now, and this is what's still happening out here. Look here. And my workspace is all wet. So, yes, guys. So, ooh. What's going on still, just to make you know, still in the kitchen trying to get the meal together. Yeah, so guys, apparently we're having some thunderstorm. Yeah, so it's really going on out there, lots of lightning and thunder. That's the part that I really can't take though. I don't like it. So, yep, and I hear that a lot of places flood out already. So, whew. Right now, guys, what else we gonna do? I'm gonna spread out my bed, put the chicken in the oven, and mix up a cake, put in the oven as well, and then go take a shower. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't even know why I'm even spreading it because I'm gonna eat it. So yes guys, I'm finished spreading the bed. Yes, so onto the kitchen, back in the kitchen again. Alright, yes, come. I know, way to the kitchen, but let's take a peep outside and see where I go on thunderstorm. Only part about this right now, I like are the lightning and the thunder. The thunder not even so bad like the lightning, like, yeah. Yeah, so we're still up on now. So now it's actually what time? Now it's actually like after 2. Yes, it's after 2 now. This is what's going on. Yeah. I'm gonna wait till the touch it. Water. Guys, so here I'm gonna go to our kitchen now. Yes guys, I'm going to be whipping up the strawberry cake. Alright, yeah, this is what I'm going to be whipping up. Put this in the oven with some baked chicken. Cow food still cook on the stove. Peas finish cook. Turn off that pot until we come out of the kitchen. Until we come out of the shower, then we season up the peas part and continue to put the rice and peas. But right now I'm going to whip up this and put the chicken in the oven while the cow food still cook. Alright, yes. Smells good. Right. It's nice to do things for yourself. You know? It just smells so good. It's good, yes. So yes guys, I'm finished with the cake. So now I'm gonna do the chicken now. Yeah, I'll season everything from last night while marinate. Yeah, I'm gonna be making baked chicken. Alright, yes. Yeah, so my pan is all grease. I give my pan off camera, guys. I give my chicken pan off camera. So no, that's a go. It is not a water. Yes guys, I'm all finished with that. So I'm going to take a shower. Yeah, cold food still a cook. Yeah, let me check it before I go take that shower to make sure that we can go take the shower. Yes guys, so I actually can go take my shower and come back. Cold food not ready. Alright, yes, back to the room. Okay guys, so I take out something comfortable put on here because you know when a farm feel kind of chilly and it just want to feel cozy and nice. So take out a ties and an oversized t-shirt to put on right now for wrap up in her. Yes. So I'm gonna head in the shower and come right back. Okay, stay right here, so don't move. Here wouldn't move. So I'm back guys. Yes, that was a very cool shower. Trust me, the water cool. Whew. Even though it cold, it was good though. It was good, yes. Man, you don't know eater around here to warm up no water. Listen, I go boil some water on the stove and bathe in a pan. Alright. Yes, but it was good. But just stay cool. I am close. So you know what? I'm going to put on some clothes and come right back. So yes guys, after I finish bed and put on my clothes, I head straight into the kitchen because I'm going to kind of talk for me. Yeah, I'm going to just say, you know what? I'm going to come around and come finish up. Yeah, because I was so hungry guys. And yes, I finished cooking. I'm so happy. Yes, I'm showing you where I'm going around here. Yeah. So this is the cow food. Ooh, cow food and butter bean. You see all the steam and that? Yes. That's that. And this is the rice and peas. All finished up. Yes, guys. And I do some steamed cabbage and carrot, guys. Yes. And over here, my cake. Oh, my cake is finished. And my baked chicken is finished, guys. Yes, and I make some cucumber and I make some tongue. You don't know me and the tongue already. Yes, guys, baked chicken. My cake. Oh, can't wait. Okay, imagine. Yes. And my steamed veg. And my rice and peas, yes, and the cow food. Ooh, yes. No, we're gonna dish up them plate right now and get done in this right now. Ooh, can't wait to dish up my plate and show them. Yeah, and may I tell you, this thunderstorm still out there going with itself. May I tell you, man. Ooh. You know, I'm just glad when I finish eat, you know, we make a do wrap up in the bed, right? Yes. Yes, guys, here's my dinner. About to throw down pan this. My cow food. and butter bean, my baked chicken, my steamed vegetable, and yes, my cucumber and 2 pieces of pear, and of course my tongue. So yes guys, finish it, wash up, mama for wash up, but guess what now? The kitchen light just blow from me because the light keep on a quint, and I think it's because of the lightning and the thunder. Yes, and then I come at the door and I try to turn on the outside light, I don't see it goes up as well, and it blow. So I'm hopefully no more light in the house now blow because I not have no backup bulb. I use all of them. Man, so it's still a keep out there. So hopefully I don't know how long or if this I got done by morning. 2 bulb out now, so I'm sure now. The thunder, yeah, this is what it looking like right now. Yeah, you can't even see it, a rat, a dog or nothing. Swimming pool are going right here, so yeah, swimming pool. Wow, see the lightning, gosh, we just smell like the lightning, man. Yeah, so let's take a lock up now, cause all my bulb them a blow. Something rain and fall now, you know. I say when me da finish cook, at same time the rain fall. Man, it was crazy. So you know, my rest of the night, even or whatever it is, because it's still early, I think it's after 6. 1B, Netflix and chill. So where's the remote to though? Yes guys, I'm gonna curl up belly full if me get hungry while watching the TV. I will just go cut a piece of cake. Alright. Yeah, talking at that. But like I said, the rest of my evening consists of what? Netflix and chill. That's what it here the thunder. Not even the thunder, I mean, I like much as much as it's the lighting. Like it's the lightning. Yeah. All them bubbles there on the screen. I don't get that. Never seen them before. My TV screen is full of bubbles. I wonder why. But anyway guys, this is where I end the vlog. But then see you guys in my next video. Okay, I hope you enjoy spending the day with me. Alright guys, surely enjoy spending it with you guys. Okay, so I will see you bye next week's time, bedtime. Yes guys, I'm just chilling on the ear outside or outside I go on like watching TV and listening to it, like yeah, just chilling. Okay, yeah. No, me tell nobody yet when I come back. Just chilling, like, oh mercy. Man, if I go on with this up in the ear there, thunder, lightning, and the rain, thunderstorm, and guess it's tossing over or something now. I'm bored, tired, and my eyes looking sleepy, but this movie seemed really good, so don't continue watch it. But bye for real now, guys. Alright, bye.